Hello my friend, my name is Christian Ronaldo. You can call me Chris. I'm student at Rumah Belajar Bersama. I play study English, Arabic, and Math. Learn writing is and learn reading and writing for the kids. Quran. I live in Pulau Bagassi, South Indonesia. I live for science. Now I'm 6 years at my school. My hobbies are playing game at badminton. That are about me. Let's start. Pembelajaran 31. Cerita sukses. Kemarin sore, Frank Fankins sedang menceritakan kepada saya tentang pengalaman sebagai seorang pemuda. Frank sekarang adalah kepala sebuah perusahaan bisnis yang sangat besar. Tapi sebagai seorang bocah, dia dulu biasa bekerja di sebuah toko kecil. Di toko kecil itu tugasnya memperbaiki sepeda-sepeda. Pada waktu itu ia terbiasakan bekerja 14 jam sehari. Dia menyimpan uang selama bertahun-tahun. Sebuah bengkel kecil sendiri. Selama perang, Frank terbiasa membuat suku cadang untuk pesawat terbang. Pada saat itu memiliki 2 pembantu. Pada akhir perang, toko kecil itu telah menjadi sebuah perusahaan besar yang mempekerjakan 728 orang. Frank tersenyum ketika dia mengingatkan awal tahun-tahun awal sulit dan memperjalankan panjang untuk sukses. Dia sedang tersenyum ketika pintu terbuka dan istrinya masuk. Istrinya ingin dia untuk memakai sepeda anak laki-lakinya. Apalagi kalau 31, Mister?
31.
Success story. Yesterday afternoon, Frank was telling me about Frank. His exciting as a young man. Frank is now the head of a very large business company, but as a boy, he used to work in a small shop. It was his job to repair bicycles, and at that time, he used to work 14 hours. He saved money for years. He bought a small workshop of his own during the war. Frank used to make spare parts for airplanes. At that time, he had 2 helpers. By the end of the war, the small workshop had become a real factory, which employed 728 people. Frank smiled when he remembered his hard early years, and he long road of success. He will still smile. When the door opened and his wife came in, she wanted him to repair the son's bicycle. What was Frank Honsi telling the waiter about? Apa yang Frank Watkins sedang menceritakan kepada penulis bicycle? Where did Frank used to work as a boy? Di mana Frank biasanya bekerja sebagai seorang bocah? A small shop. What did he do there? Apa yang dia biasa lakukan? Repair bicycle. When did buy his shop? On shop. Apakah dia membeli sebuah bengkelnya sendiri? Yes. Did he repair a lot of people of the end the wrong or not? Apakah dia mempekerjakan banyak orang di akhir perang? Yes. How came into the room after well? Siapa yang datang ke kamarnya setelah berpesayap? His wife. What did he want to fight it? Apa yang dia perempuan inginkan kepadanya? Yes. By practicing this every day, I'm sure we can soon because it really helps. See you next reading. I'm Chris. We are the future of the world. Miss you all. Rumah Belajar Bersama. Bye bye.